Alright guys, so I had that old janky steel helmet, as y'all know from my videos. And it's getting quite old. Like technically it's only 2 years old, but I got some scratches on it pretty bad, and like the safety rating wasn't pretty good for it. Anyways, I was gonna leave that as my second helmet. Or, for working with machinery when you have to climb out. That kind of, well, it's basically what it was more made for. So I got this new Protos, made in Austria, one of my favorite countries. Really beautiful country, if you ask me. And here it is. Oh, come on. Let me see if I can fold that outside. Oh, beauty itself. And gone from this color scheme, of course, the what is darker red would be more beautiful, but wasn't available. But this looks good enough, if you ask me. And this can come out. What is this? Oh, the reason why I got made of protos. The best mechanism you can have out there. And also this, it isn't outside of the helmet. But yeah, this is gonna be a bit of a longer short, of course, but what is this? Einfach scheinbar. I don't understand. I can just measure them a little bit. Here are the instructions. Yes, I'll read those someday, maybe. Yeah, it's something which I don't know what it is. So I'll open it. I feel like it's gonna be. Oh! It's a very nice bag. I could store wedges in those. Hey, that's really good. And there's Picaroon. Here. There's Picaroon and an axe. Put on the side of it. But yeah, this is how it is. So, here's how I look now. I remember how to do this. Yeah, I really like this.